So in this video, I'm going to talk about substituting and evaluating in algebraic equations. We've been looking at things where I say we don't use times signs or divided by signs in algebra. If I have 2 plus a, then that means the number 2 plus whatever the value of a is will equal a certain amount, and that doesn't change. But in algebra, if I have 2 times a, or 2 lots of a, that means I can write it as 2a. Okay, there's an assumed times in between those. And similarly, if I had 2 divided by a, I wouldn't write it like that. I would write it as 2 over a. That's just algebra shorthand. The other one that sometimes people will see is if I have 4 times brackets 7 plus b, I can just get rid of that times and write 4 and then by brackets 7 plus b. So that we know means 4 times everything that's in the bracket. So keep this in mind when we look at substituting and evaluating. If I say to you, let a equal 3, then wherever I put a in the next lot of equations, or the next lot of equations, I'm going to substitute a being 3. So if I have 4 plus a, that means that it is 4 plus 3, and that will be equal to 7. If I had 5a, that could mean 5 times 3, because I'm substituting that 3 in for that a. So 5 times 3 is 15. And one more, if I had a minus 2, in that case, it would be, my a is 3, so 3 minus 2 equals 1. That was a 2. Just a couple, lets me do some other equations. I'll write some equations and then I'll do them for different values of the pronumeral. So if I have b plus c, if I have cb, and if I have, so we'll call that 1, 2, and 3. 5 outside of b plus 2. Now, if I say let b equal 2 and c equal 4, I then do these equations but substitute in b equal 2 and c equals 4. So for equation 1, b plus c is 2 plus 4 equals 6. In equation 2, cb means c, which is 4, times b, which is 2, equals 8. And in question 3, I would have 5 outside of b, which is 2, plus 2. So 2, do the brackets first. 2 plus 2 is 4, times 5, which is 20. Similarly, if I say let b equal 10 and c equal 5, I would do the same. So for question 1, so I'm using the same questions from up here. b plus c, 10 plus 5 equals 15. Question 2, cb, c is 5 times 10 equals 50. And question 3, 5 outside of B. B is 10 plus 2. Do the brackets. 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 times 5 is 60. So here we've got two different sets of answers because our values of B and C are varied. Okay, I hope that helps you. Good luck with that.